Welcome to our 12 days of Christmas in the kitchen. Come with me as I share how we celebrate the 12 days of Christmas in our family. Each day I'll be sharing a recipe. Some are part of our yearly traditions and some are brand new to us this year. I am so excited to bring you along and share each one. Today, as the song says, we begin with a partridge in a pear tree, and that means a warm, comforting pear pie. Sweet pears, cozy spices, and a flaky crust come together to make the perfect winter dessert. Pears soften beautifully as they bake, filling the whole kitchen with a gentle, buttery aroma. It's simple, humble, and full of warmth, exactly the way we love to begin this Christmas season. So, let's get started with day 1, a pear pie. I can't wait to share the rest of the 12 days with you. I'm starting with the pie crust. In my bowl I have 2.5 cups of flour. I have some table salt, about a half a teaspoon. I have 1 tablespoon of sugar. I have a cup of butter that is still cold and it's chilled, and I have about a half a cup of ice water. So I am going to pull this all together. I'm going to put in the butter chunks little by little. I'm using my fingers to squeeze the butter into the flour mixture. I'm actually using my apple pie recipe from my cookbook, and I'm just going to swap out the apples for pears. I'm starting with my pie crust because it's going to need time in the refrigerator. So once I get this pulled together, I'm going to put it in the refrigerator to chill for a short while I work on the filling. This pie crust recipe gives you 2 pie crusts, one for the bottom of the pie and one for the top. And my pie crust is just about ready. I'm just going to put it in a disc shape, wrap it in a little bit of plastic, and then refrigerate it. So now I'm working on the filling. In my bowl I have 3 tablespoons of hard white wheat flour. I also have half a cup of granulated sugar, half cup light brown sugar. I have 2 tablespoons of cinnamon and 1/8 teaspoon of nutmeg. I'm going to cut these into thin slices, and on my stove I'm going to put 1 stick of butter and 2 tablespoons of vanilla to pull this filling all together. Now I'm moving to the stove to pull this all together. So I'm going to melt 1 stick of butter. I have combined all the dry ingredients and I'm going to add that to the pot once my butter melts a little bit. I'm adding about 2 tablespoons of my homemade vanilla extract and about 1/3 of a cup of water. You can add apple juice to this or even apple cider for a deeper, richer flavor. I'm going to turn off the heat and add the pears. Now I'm just going to coat my pears well with this filling. It is now time to fill the pie. Before I roll out my pie crust, I'm going to apply a generous layer of butter onto the bottom of my pie dish because I do not want my pie to stick to this dish while it's in the oven. I'm going to set this aside and work on rolling out the dough. Before I roll out my dough, I'm going to just flour my countertop slightly. Like I said before, this pie crust is enough for a top half of the pie and the bottom half. So I am going to cut this in half and roll them out separately. I'm going to score the bottom of my pie crust. And then I'm going to layer in the filling.
looks beautiful.
Our pear pie is done. It looks fabulous. I will be sure to list all the recipes in the description box down below. I will include links to any recipes that are not my own. Some of these recipes are my own and are available in my cookbook. I will leave a link to that cookbook, which is available on Amazon, in the description box below. I will also leave the recipe here on the screen for you so that you can screenshot the video and save the recipe. Thanks so much for spending this time with me in my kitchen each day. I look forward to seeing you in the next one.